This video is dedicated to help you remove the adware type application called MachineChance. MachineChance is the adware that attacks Google, Chrome, Safari, and other browsers on Mac computers. And this adware only attacks Mac computers, by the way. It is from the adload family. This adware is spread through integration with a lot of free applications. So in many cases, people just download and install it absolutely unintentionally. So if this MachineChance was some way or another installed into your Mac, of course you need to get rid of it immediately. Access your applications, find this MachineChance and right-click on it and move it to the trash. I would also recommend that you additionally research the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and start researching the system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.